So my old life seems a lifetime ago now, but I used to manage transformational change projects, so that for banks and utility companies. So I used to, over the last 30 years, I know I don't look old enough, I used to change old IT systems for new change systems. So I used to work all around the country, internationally as well, 24/7. I was even on call for Christmas Day once. So, whilst it was exciting, I rarely saw my family, and I really didn't see much of my husband because he did exactly the same thing at the time. So, having made changes to other people's lives for 30 years and being involved in lots of big change transformational programs, we really need to make a change to our own lives. So we really wanted to run our own business. So it wasn't a whim that we chose TrueGreen at all. In fact, we did a lot of franchise shopping, and we went to a number of franchise fairs over a number of years. But I think the first thing that struck us was, first of all, the professionalism and the track record of ServiceMaster. They immediately made you feel safe and secure, and you were in the hands of experienced professionals. And then of the brands and opportunities they offered, TrueGreen leapt off the page really, because we immediately loved all the people involved and the ethos and the way they kind of cared about us as much as they did about their own business. So they gave us huge support through the selection process from start to finish. It never felt at any time we were under hard sell or hard pressure. It felt like we were looking for somebody to fit, and I described that it's almost like fitting into my family, because the support was fantastic, and at no time we were hassled. It was a massive life change to come off a payroll and run your own business, and they never made us feel hurried, and they supported us. The brand itself is incredibly appealing, and also the training and the specialist knowledge. It just made us feel like we were joining a family, but of huge professionals, and the support was amazing. So it's quite hard to whittle this down to the best parts, because every day we're really grateful for what we've done, and we wish we'd done it years ago. So first of all, it's hugely rewarding to run your own business. You run your business from start to finish, and we had 0 customers. We had to build that business up. That's amazingly interesting and rewarding. We get to work together, which we never worked together. We were in different parts of the country, different parts of the world, different time zones sometimes, and we never got to work together. Now we get to work together and run our own business and make our own decisions. So it keeps us mentally fit, physically fit. And then you feel this sense of achievement every day. None of my corporate jobs have given me this level of achievement. And then we've built a business from 0, as I said, which was a great challenge during COVID. With the support of the TrueGreen guys and ServiceMaster, we got through all of that, which was great. And we built great relationships with people. So 95% of our customers stayed with us last year, and everybody, so nearly 100% this year, has been asking us when we'll be out next year. So that makes you feel great that your customers confirm that you're doing a great job. And we've got some cracking relationships with some really lovely people. So it feels like we're really transforming people's land and their gardens. And when you turn a muddy patch that's full of weeds into a beautiful green carpet, and they're really, really pleased, it's just so rewarding. I can't describe. You can see the results of your work. And in a way, I feel like I'm running a spa for lawns, I guess. So I love every minute of it, and I just wish I'd done it 20 years ago.